how to burn essential oils. Here's what you should know. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the aromatic world of essential oils. Have you ever wondered how to properly burn essential oils and fill your space with their delightful fragrances? Well, you're in the right place. Here's what you should know. First things first, let's talk about the different methods. You can use a diffuser, a candle, or even an oil burner. Each method has its own charm, but today we'll focus on the oil burner. To get started, you'll need an oil burner, some water, and of course your favorite essential oils. Here's a little pro tip. Always dilute your essential oils with water to prevent them from being too potent and to help them diffuse more evenly. Fill the bowl with water, about halfway full. This is where the magic happens. Now, add a few drops of your essential oil. Remember, less is more. You can always add more if needed. Next, place a tea light candle underneath the bowl. Light it up and let the warmth do its job. The water will heat up, releasing those wonderful scents into the air. Not only does this create a lovely ambience, but it also helps lift your mood, reduce stress, and even purify the air. Lastly, always keep an eye on your oil burner while it's in use. Never leave it unattended. And make sure to replace the water regularly to avoid burning the essential oil directly. And that's it. You're now equipped with everything you need to burn essential oils safely and effectively. If you enjoyed this video, give us a thumbs up, subscribe for more aromatic adventures, and share your favorite essential oils in the comments below. Until next time, stay fragrant.